Today it's the 13th of June 2023. We had Brådgatan?
Yes.
Yes, 27. And also one more is original still. We can try to get filmed.
Yeah.
That's one I haven't filmed also. But capacity is 8 persons, which is the difference. Beautiful color. I like the chocolate color here. It was built in 1985. The capacity is 8 persons, horses and deckers. Silver H7 9076. With a doghouse button also, so that's a bit more advanced.
Yeah.
The machine was probably updated in the early 2000s.
Yes.
Yeah.
I thought there were sorts, yeah.
Yes, of course. But too bad the rest is generic in the quarter.
Yeah. Or there's still one from one, so we have to check, but...
Oh, well, we can check it.
Yeah.
We'll check it quickly.
Yeah.
Or E is a half full.
Yeah.
Can I sit down, please? Need to rest my feet a little. They're walking so much. And there's the electric socket there.
Yeah.
Oh, well, we can first door.
Yeah.
It sounds like on a Delta organization. But that's still good.
Yeah.
It's not a generic upgrade.
Inspekteert paikkiväispät meitä by Nordiskis.
You can press the double button. At least it's not a generic upgrade.
Yeah.
What about testing the half floor?
Yeah, probably.
You can check it. I'd like to see this. I'm a bit curious. This is the slower speed that it
Yeah.
is. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. I've watched the Brådgatan, I think that was 29 that I filmed as well. And there's 25 that we can check. Come on.
That's